Okay, so let's go and check the problems that you just did. So let's go and check problem 28. Okay, so let's check here. So the first thing we have this big expression inside the parentheses being raised to an exponent. So remember our rule, and that is I'm going to take that outside exponent, that -3, and multiply it to all the exponents. Do not forget the 5, that coefficient has an exponent of 1. Super, super, super important. Very common mistake people make is they forget about that exponent on the constant. So I'm going to take that -3, multiply it to all of it. So this becomes 5 to the -3 s. -2 times -3 is +6. T to the -12. Let's keep on going. So we have some inverses to take. So that 5 becomes 1 over 5 cubed. The s stays the same. If you need to, if it makes things easier, turn it into a fraction just by putting it over 1. But you don't have to. And then the t, we take the inverse of it, and it becomes t to the 12th. So multiplying straight across, I get s to the 6th over 5 cubed t to the 12th. Okay? Go to number 30. So I'm going to do the same thing I did in the example, and that is I'm going to split this up. I'm going to take the x's, put them as one fraction, the y's, and put them as another fraction. So I'm going to take my x's, put them as 1, y's, put them as another. So now the x's are put together through division. Their bases are the same, so I get x to the -1 minus 2. And I'm multiplying that to y to the 2 minus a -1. So this becomes x to the -3, and the y becomes y to the 3. The x I have to flip, so this becomes 1 over x cubed. Again, if you want to turn that y into a fraction, you can if that helps. And we are left with y cubed over x cubed. Okay, last one. You know what? Let me go back really quickly. Sorry, that was super fast. You guys a chance to look at it. So look at it. Woo! Y cubed over x cubed. See it? See it? See it? Good. Moving on. Okay, and what did I say? I think I said 32. I think I said 32. So hopefully, let's do 32. So 4 r to the 4th s to the 5th over 24 r to the 4th s to the -5. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to break things up. So r's with r's, s's with s's, and even constants with constants. So in other words, this is going to be 4 over 24 times r to the 4th over r to the 4th times s to the 5th over s to the -5. So 4 over 24, we just do normal stuff. We reduce it. So that becomes 1/6. R to the 4th over r to the 4th. Now we could subtract those exponents. In fact, you know, let's do it. Good practice, good practice. So r to the 4th, and I'm subtracting this exponent, so 4 minus 4. And that's times s to the 5th minus a -5. So let's clean it up. So 1 to the 6th, r to the 0, times s to the 10th. So simplifying, we get 1/6. R to the 0 is 1, s to the 10th, and we are left with s to the 10th over 6. So just really quickly, all these videos that I have, except for maybe the very first one, actually all these videos that I have, I shouldn't even say that. All these videos that I have will be linked to my teacher page. So feel free to, if it went fast, or if you just need to look at it again at home, feel free to do so.